Okay guys, this video is basically about the Outre 9-piece clip-in. This is the Kinky curly texture. What I'm doing is just combing out my hair, parting it. In this video, it's basically self-explanatory. I'm going to be parting my hair so I can put the clip-ins in. This is my first time actually doing clip-ins, so I was actually pretty impressed on how it came out. You see me rapping and singing. I didn't want to put the music in because I didn't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, so this is just a video basically of me showing you guys how I did my 9-piece, and then with the video at the end with the finished product. Now, in this next clip, you'll see me actually installing the clip-ins. I did some readjusting to the clip-ins throughout the video. You're going to see. And because this, again, is my first time actually doing clip-ins. This is 9-piece, again, by Outre. Now right here, you're just going to actually see me continuing to part the hair all the way up to the top to where the bun is. Again, this is going to be a half up, half down style. If I didn't tell you guys, 9 pieces come with this hair. There's a 12-inch, a 10-inch, a 8-inch, I do believe a 5-inch, and then 3-inch. And that's how long the wefts are. Not the length of the wefts, but not the length of the hair, but how long the wefts are. Now right here, you're going to actually see me two-strand twist my actual leave out so that it can blend in with the hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that all the way around so you guys can actually see what I'm doing here. I'm actually using the Eco Styler gel to two-strand twist my hair. I'm doing some up close here so you guys can see how it look. I'm sorry, it's a bit dark, so, it's hard to see, but yeah. The two-strand twist, there it is. There's like maybe 2 or 3 that I've done already, and I'm just gonna go ahead and continue that around my whole head, the whole top of my head, shall I say, until my leave out is actually twisted up to actually blend in with my hair. This is my first time doing a two-strand twist ever, and I just thought it would be perfect for this hair in general. Now, right here, what I'm actually doing, you guys didn't actually see what I did with the bun, but I used some of the clip-ins to actually make that bun at the top of my head. And what I did was just wrap it around my actual hair. I didn't put the clips in or anything like that. And I was just adjusting it, putting rubber bands around it. Right here, I'm doing my edges. You see me listening to the music in the background. Again, didn't want to get copyrighted. But I'm doing my edges. I'm just basically trying to blend the hair and adjust it to the way I feel, it looks, more natural. And that's what I'm going to be doing throughout this, the rest of the video is, fixing my edges and blending the hair. And again, at the end of this video, I will insert a video of the finished product of my hair and with my makeup again all done and me looking so pretty. Now coming up, I'm actually going to just be readjusting some of the clips to where I feel that it's more of my real hair showing than the actual clips. I'm just spreading some of the hair apart, fluffing it out, just so it can blend well with my hair because I didn't twist out all my hair. I just combed it out and just put the clips in to make it look more fuller, and then the top is what I just twisted. And again, just going ahead and doing the finishing touches with my hair and my edges and things like that. And you guys don't see in the video me actually taking the two-strand twist out, but again, at the end of the video, you'll just see the finished product. Now I'm coming close to the end and I'm just fixing the bun that I have at the top of my head and making sure that's slick and everything. Again, I'm using the green Eco Styler gel. Coming up is the video of the finished product. And I hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed this hair. I really enjoyed doing this. And I think clip-ins may be my new thing.